a souffle chocolate peanut butter. If you have the ingredients home, preparing it and cooking it, it would take you under 2 minutes. How about that? So let me tell you how I did it. So the first thing you do, you take 2 tablespoons of almond flour, then you put 1 teaspoon of chocolate mix, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and you mix that. Then you add 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Then you give it a really nice mix. You put it in your micro oven. It takes 50 seconds. And you have a nice souffle that, and it's good for you, it's healthy. I was so surprised. I had to do some adjustments. It took me 3 times to get it perfect, but I'm very happy to share this recipe with you. Good energy every day. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to find delicious recipes. My recipes, you're not going to find any white flour, sugar, or bad fats.